What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Tapu Lele from Pokemon. Now the first thing we're going to do is move to the top of our page and draw on the hat. Let's start with the bottom edge. We start all the way over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up in the middle. And we'll bend that down on the right side. And then from the ends, draw a short angled line going up and out. And we'll draw that same curve connecting the left to the right side. Let's go back to the center of our page and move all the way up towards the tip of the hat. Start with a point. And from here we're just going to curve this out and then down on the left side of the hat. Go back to the center, go out, and then down on the right. Let's add that detail in the center of the hat. In the middle we're going to step up, start with a point. And from here we're going to angle down and out towards the left and right side. Let's go back to the center, step up. Start with another point. Now we're going to draw a diamond going up and out towards the side. And then pull that up and in towards the middle. Now we're going to trace these shapes along the outside. Starting from the center, move up to the top. Start with another point. It's going to work our way down towards the left. Pull that in. Then all the way down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go down to the bottom of the hat and draw a curve. We're going to start on the left side and come down and bend that back up. And now we'll draw those two large curls on the side of the head. Starting back on the left, just going to bend this out and then down, go over towards the right and do the same thing. I just want to curl this back around. Starting back on the left, come down and bend that up. And now we're going to thicken up the curls. Starting back at the top, move over towards the left. Just going to taper this out and then down towards the side. And we'll curl this around and then back out. Coming down towards the bottom, rounding this out, going up and then out. Let's tuck the head in underneath the hair. We're going to start over on the left side, come down the middle, round out the head, and then pull that back up on the right. Let's move out to the side and add a curl. Starting from the bottom corner of the hat, curve down, and then up. Then we'll step back in, curl around the end, come down, and then in. Let's add some detail to the face. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to start with an oval, coming around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's line this up on the right side, coming down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to draw a smaller oval in the center. Going around, and then we'll fill the pupils in black. And then we'll add the eyebrows above each eye. Starting on the outside, curve up and then down. I just want to thicken up the eyebrow. Starting back on the outside, go up a little bit higher in the middle, and back down on the inside. Let's add a detail underneath each eye. Starting back on the left, curve down and then up. And then we'll thicken this back up. Starting back on the left, come down the middle, and then up on the inside. Let's move down and draw an oval for the body. We're going to leave a gap along the top. Let's start over on the left side, come down towards the bottom, and then pull that back up towards the top. Now from the left side, we're going to step down, draw a curve coming down, and then up, step down, draw that again. Let's draw the arm stretched out towards the side in behind the hair. So we're going to start on the side of the head on the left, curve the arm going up and then out. And the same thing on the right. And we want to continue that curve on the outside to right about there. Let's round up the edge of the wrist, coming out and then in. And we'll draw the bottom of the arm coming back in behind the body. So we'll go in behind the hair, curve in and then down. Let's draw an oval in behind the wrist. From the top, step in, go up, down the side, and then back up underneath the arm. Let's line up with the top of the arm on the outside of the bracelet, curve out and then down, round up the hand, and then pull that back up. Let's draw the rest of the hair in behind the arms and the body. We're going to start on the outside, curve out and then in. Move down to the inside, come down and up in behind the body. Let's draw the lower half of the body, starting back over on the left side, curve the body going out and then down, move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the same height. And then from here we're going to angle down and in towards the center with a straight line. Let's surround the bottom edge of the body with a large oval. We're going to start on the left side, go out toward the left, come in towards the bottom. It's going to work our way back up along the right side, going out and then pulling that back in. And then we'll trace this oval along the inside, going out, in towards the middle, out towards the right, and then back in towards the body. Let's draw a large half oval along the bottom. We're going to start on the left side, curve out, down. I just want to leave a gap in the center of that oval. Go over towards the right, go out, down, and then in. And then from the inside, we draw two straight angle lines coming up and in towards the middle. Go back to the side, come down and in. Let's add some detail on the bottom. We start in the center, step down, start with the point, angle up and out toward the left and right side. Now go back to the center, step down, start with another point, and again we're going to draw a little diamond. Come down toward the side and pull that back in towards the middle. And just like we did with the hat, we're going to trace this out along the outside. Stepping out, down and in, out towards the side, and pull that back in towards the middle. Let's move out to the side, start with a straight angle line coming down and in, go straight down along the inside, and we'll angle that out and down towards the side. And then we'll trace this out along the inside, stepping down, let's add those wings in behind the body. We'll start from the left side, curve up and out in behind the hair. Now we go to the outside, curve out, down, and then in. Let's draw the bottom of the wing, starting back on the left, curve out, and then in. Let's move back up and draw two seams on either side. Starting from the left, curve up and then down. Line this up on the right. I'm going to come all the way down towards the bottom and do that again. Going up and then down. Line this up on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's Tapu Lele from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.